Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will show you how to use commas and with nouns. How do I add more to this sentence? I go to the shop and I buy many things. So first we take away the full stop, we use and put milk. So for two nouns we use and, bread and milk. Maybe we buy more than this. We change the full stop to a comma. We add the next noun and apples. So noun 1 and 2, our bread and milk, we use the comma. 2 and 3, or the last two, we use and, milk and apples. It's another example. So maybe today we went to two places. Today we went to school and the shop. With two nouns we use and. Maybe today we went to three places. So we change the full stop for a comma. Today we went to school, the shop and the park. Noun 1 and 2, the school, the shop, we use a comma in between, and 2 and 3, or the last two, shop, park, we use and. Maybe I saw two people today. I saw Lisa and John at the park. Or if I want to write more people, I saw Lisa, John, Mike and Ali at the cafe. So we have four nouns in this sentence. Lisa and John, 1 and 2, we have a comma in between. John and Mike, noun 2 and 3, we have a comma. And the last two nouns, Mike, Ali, we use and. I saw Lisa, John, Mike and Ali at the cafe. Here we have two sentences. Find the problem. One sentence has a mistake. Sentence 2 has the problem. Why? We have and two times, twice. Fruit and vegetables and rice. This is not good. Sentence 1 is good. We have a comma between swimming and football, and we use and between football and tennis. Here's two more sentences. Find the problem. Sentence 1 has the problem. We have two commas, but no and. Sentence 2 is good. We have a comma and. We have a comma between Ali and John and Lee we use and. Here's two more sentences. Find the problem. Sentence 1 is the problem. There are no commas, no and. Chicken, rice, vegetables. We have three nouns, but no punctuation. Sentence 2 is good. We have a comma between jazz and blues, and we use and between blues and rock. Remember, two nouns use and. For example, I like football and tennis. Muhammad and Mustafa went for coffee. Three or more nouns use commas and with the last two only. I bought apples, oranges, bananas and grapes. So noun 1 and 2, our apples and oranges, we have a comma. 2 and 3, a comma. The last two, bananas and grapes. Fatima, Wada and Noor go to class every day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.